Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is today's look, and honestly I was just doing something random and it actually turned out to be really cute. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep watching. Since we are using really bright colors today, I'm going to use some concealer in my skin tone. I'm just going to blend it out with a large blending brush. I'm going to dip into my 35OM palettes and take this red on a M506 brush and pack that into my crease. So I'm sure y'all noticed that I don't have my face done today because I'm actually going to do it on camera for the first time in I don't know how long. So I'm going to dip into my Princesa Azteca palette and pick up this yellow and blend out this deep red. So I really didn't need the yellow to help me blend that color out, but since I'm going to put gold on my eyelid anyway, I feel like the yellow complemented the look. Now I'm going to add this brown right here and this one into my crease, and this is on an E17 brush. So I'm going to take some more Allegro concealer and to cut my crease. To apply all of my colors, I'm going to just use like some flat concealer brushes. So now for my favorite color ever from this palette. This is what I use as my highlight too. A lot of people ask me about it when I wear it. It's just this really pretty gold eyeshadow. I'm gonna kind of like drag my brush towards the gold so I can kind of get like an ombre effect. So now that we have that done, I'm gonna go into my mascara and my lashes, and I'll be back to finish my face. Very first thing I do to my face is moisturize it. This is the moisturizer I use. You can get it out of Walmart. I'm sorry I have to turn my thing down so dark so I can see, but you can get this out of Walmart. And then after I moisturize, I prime with the NYX Photo Loving primer. This stuff keeps me matte the entire day. So I don't use this on my forehead because I already have oily skin, so I skip moisturizing my forehead and I just go straight in with my primer. I've already moisturized and applied my primer, so I'm going to take my Airspun powder and translucent. I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and just set my primer in my smile lines, because on this side for some reason it creases so bad, and this side not so much. But so for foundation, I'm going to use my Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation, and I'm in the shade 23 Ginger. I use this one, but this one is like my go-to. Y'all know this is like $7 on Walmart, but yeah. Right here I was just explaining, like, if you guys want to get this foundation, please go get color match for it, because it goes on my skin a bit orange, but after I let it sit for a few minutes it does oxidize. So yeah, you can't really go based off how it looks in the bottle. To highlight my face, I usually would use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, but I'm out of it, so I'm gonna mix Cool Tan and Pure Beige Allegro concealer. So I just apply the Cool Tan first, and then I put a little bit of Pure Beige on top. So to set my smile lines, I actually use the Sacha Buttercup powder because it just works better right there, because I don't know, like this Airspun powder does not help this area, so I'm gonna just use the Sacha Buttercup powder. So I'm just gonna dust this powder away with this powder brush from Beige Cosmetics. But now for my favorite part, I'm gonna contour my face with this angled fluffy brush. It's also from Beige Cosmetics, and I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in the shade 360. And I show all these products in my how to highlight and contour video, so if you missed it, go check it out. So that's pretty much where I contour. I start from here, like on my forehead, and I just really bring my contour like all the way down to there. That's just how I prefer to do it. I feel like it looks really cute on me. So right here you see me using the Cool Tan concealer to highlight underneath my contour, and yeah, I'm gonna also set that with some Sacha Buttercup powder. And I don't usually contour my nose, so let me go ahead and highlight my face, and I need to finish my eyes too. But for my highlighter, I'm going to use that same gold eyeshadow we used on our eyes. So that was way too much, but it's still cute. Alright, so let me finish under my eyes. So to finish up my eye, I'm gonna actually line just the outer corners of my eyes with some eyeliner. I'm gonna pick up some matte black eyeshadow on an M432 brush, which is just a flat brush, and smoke it out. I'm just gonna add some mascara, and then we are finished. I'm just gonna wipe this powder, well, dust this powder away. So I'm gonna take the lip liner from NYX in the shade Espresso and line my lips, and I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. Wait, I see one flaw, just one. So I didn't cut my crease high enough. So this is what it looks like with the lipstick. It matches, but I'm just not a lipstick person, so I'm gonna do a random bonus entry right quick. So out of the Princesa Azteca, the Take Me Back to Brazil, and the Morphe 35V palette, which one do you guys think is my favorite one? Just comment below. I don't think I said it in a video before, but just take a guess, and I'm gonna pick the first 2 people that get it right. I'm gonna put this at the end of my video, so if you watch my video all the way through, then you have a chance to guess, and you can only guess once. Alright you guys, so these are the end results. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and also give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.